Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Guide Up. Today in this video, I'll show you how to delete your shared post on Facebook. First, open the app on your phone. Here we are on the welcome page. Tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Now we are on the menu page. Tap on the setting icon. Now you can see various setting and privacy options. Scroll down and select the activity log option. Scroll down and tap on your Facebook activity section. Again, scroll down and tap the manage post section. Now you can see the posts that is shared to your profile. You can tap on filter option to filter your posts by date and the category options. To delete a post, tap on the three dots next to the post that you want to delete. Then tap on the delete option at the bottom of the screen. With that, you can see we have permanently deleted the post. Alternatively, you can tap on the three dots, then tap on hide from profile or move the post to the bin. Here, mass deletion on Facebook is currently unavailable, so you may have to repeat the process if you have many posts. And that's it for the video. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video, hit share and subscribe to the channel for more.